The former Kaizer Chiefs head coach Amakhosi Ertugral has hit out at Kaizer Chiefs over their treatment of a club legend Itumeleng. Kuna was suspended by Chiefs and stripped of the club captaincy in December after reportedly turning up for training under the influence of alcohol. The former Bafana Bafana number 1 had his suspension lifting at the beginning of March but has not yet returned to the Amakhosi team. Ertugral said, "It was sad for me to see you don't treat a player in that capacity like that. In his most difficult times, he needs to have something to hold on to, and I couldn't see that by Kaizer Chiefs. I can only say that now from the outside. I'm not involved. I don't want to trigger negativity, but it could have helped him. It was a couple of years ago, the same story, and I've made it publicly. I remember that when I said publicly out, they should know there is only one Itu. There is no second Itu, and there will never be a second Itu coming up in the next 50 years. Ertugral also mentioned the likes of Jabu Mahlangu and Thabo Moki as players whose troubles were worth their talent, and said, "Do you think that Jabu Pula was easy? Do you think that Dr. Khumalo was easy? Do you think Thabo Moki was easy? Do you think that Atazwan and Cyril Nzama were always easy? But they are unbelievable artists, unbelievable." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more news.